Get ready for some of the best and most useful car accessories available on Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with this special gadget that offers an alternative to traditional methods to protect the interior of your vehicle from high temperatures. A-Cool is a quick-to-install ventilation system that sets up in seconds with just a few simple steps. It comprises of two modules placed on the car windows to circulate air in the car, and they are powered by a solar panel installed on the dashboard. On hot days, A-Cool lowers the interior temperature by 27 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit, extending the life of the car's materials and reducing harmful emissions. Additionally, the system acts as a filter, removing up to 85% of chemical contaminants, viruses, and bacteria from the air. Each model is custom-made to fit perfectly, ensuring it matches the size and shape of your vehicle. Say goodbye to traditional car keys because the future is here. With this ingenious device and its mobile app, your smartphone becomes the ultimate car key. Your car will start only when your phone is detected nearby. You can easily share keys with friends and loved ones, setting time limits for their access. In case of any issues, you can manually retrieve the key. Also, the app lets you unlock your doors and trunk. And the best part? Installation is a breeze, just plug it into a regular USB port, and you're done. Be prepared to be impressed by this remarkable OBD scanner. Beyond excelling at car diagnostics, this gadget offers a host of other incredible features. Imagine effortlessly locating your car in a crowded parking lot, or tracking travel mileage in real time. The gadget allows you to monitor your car's status like a pro, and with its accompanying app, you are provided with precise engine updates and comprehensive fuel consumption data. Stay informed with notifications, alerting you whenever your car moves or exceeds a certain speed. Lastly, don't forget to personalize your experience by setting up custom notifications for potential crashes or malfunctions. This device tests your battery without overcharging or damaging it. With its intelligent charging mode, you are being provided with pre- and post reports, allowing you to compare accurate data and assess your battery's health. But there's more. This amazing device is designed for both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, offering faster and safer charging. And with the accompanying app, you'll have access to precise data, including voltage readings and current adjustments, right at your fingertips. Are you tired of tangled wires and connectivity issues when using Android Auto in your car? Meet your solution, the Carsify Android Auto Adapter. Just plug it to your car's USB port, pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, and voila! Say goodbye to wired connection troubles or frequent disconnections. Compatible with all cars supporting Android Auto, this gadget automatically connects to your vehicle every time you get in, ensuring a seamless experience. Experience luxury on your road trips with the Garmin RV GPS Navigator. Designed for adventure, it features high-resolution satellite imagery of RV parks and campgrounds to simplify your journey. Plan your arrival with recommended routes tailored to your RV and towable trailer's size and weight. For a perfect fit, you can choose from 8, 10, or 7-inch models. These large, tablet-like displays make maneuvering your large vehicle easy. The Garmin RV Navigator series offers a split-view map, showing your active route on one side and an overview of the remaining route with upcoming weather on the other side. Elevate your road trips with the Garmin RV Navigator, the ultimate travel companion for any adventure seeker. If you enjoy outdoor activities like mountain climbing or river rafting, the safety of your car key should be a concern, especially in wet environments. Luckily, KeyFender offers the best solution, a waterproof housing, designed to protect your electronic card key from water, sand, and shocks during all water sports and outdoor activities. Its secure locking system allows you to wear it as a necklace, clip it to your backpack, or attach it to your hand, ensuring peace of mind in this type of situations. Tired of struggling to load items onto your car's roof? Meet the DropRack Roof Rack, the perfect solution. This innovative system lowers the loading space to your waist level, eliminating the need for stretching or straining. With a user-friendly winch, it effortlessly lifts your gear back up top. Customizable roof bars make it adaptable for various work or leisure needs. Capable of handling up to 175 pounds, this rugged companion can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. What an amazing ride! But now, a shower is a must. Introducing the Yakima Road Shower, your ultimate adventure companion. This portable, solar-powered water storage attaches to your vehicle, offering refreshing showers whenever needed. With a 4-gallon capacity, it heats up as you explore, ensuring a warm shower or bike cleaning. Its durability, easy refill, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for your next journey, keeping you refreshed, always. An Israeli company, D-Ride, has unveiled Zero, a game-changing dashcam that enhances car convenience. This compact device attaches easily to your front or rear windshield, and features just one button. When pressed, it will instantly uploads the recorded video to the cloud, making Zero the world's smallest remote storage dashcam. With dual cameras recording at 1440 pixels and 30 frames per second, and a 170-degree field of view, it ensures high-quality footage. Enjoy unlimited cloud storage and easily transfer videos to your smartphone or computer. The real danger it presents in finding it difficult to identify which of your car tires is deflating by just looking is why this device was developed to help keep you safe. Meet the Zooz Smart Tire Safety Monitor. This is the next-gen technology that puts you in control of your driving safely. Safety has never looked sexy. With its most advanced German sensor, Zooz monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time, and sends crucial data to its accompanying app. Its proprietary algorithm called Accurate Temp analyzes pressure temperature over time, and alert you of any slow leaks which you'll not find that on other tire monitoring systems. The app pinpoints where the leak is and the rate of leakage. Its sleek and simple design makes installation easy, with just 3 steps. Choose this next-generation safety tech to protect you and your family everywhere you go. Experience unparalleled power with the One Pro Portable Tire Inflator. Featuring advanced motor speed technology, it delivers incredible performance and comes equipped with a 10,400 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, making it lasts up to 400 days on standby. The 3.2-inch LED display provides real-time updates on tire pressure, battery life, inflation modes, and more. Its enhanced heat dissipation system, with 12 mm of extra airspace and advanced cooling fans that increase cooling efficiency, ensuring safe and extended use. With 5 modes, it inflates a AR-15 tire from 0% to 100% in just 3 minutes. The inflator includes 2 14-inch extra-long air hoses, a press-on and a twist-on, plus a 100-lumen LED light, making it ideal for road trips and emergencies. Allow me to introduce the Govee Underglow car lights, my absolute favorite in automotive innovation. Once installed, these sleek LED strips transform your car into a modern masterpiece. Their vibrant colors and mesmerizing patterns light up the undercarriage of your vehicle, turning heads and leaving onlookers in awe. Imagine driving down the highway at night, with the Govee lights on, showcasing your car's smooth curves with a mesmerizing glow from below. It's like your car has been rejuvenated, attracting attention and admiration. But these lights aren't just about style, they're also practical. They enhance your visibility on the road, providing added safety whether you're cruising city streets or navigating dark rural paths. The Govee Underglow car lights offer both a striking aesthetic and reliable illumination, making every drive a standout experience. In roadside emergencies, visibility is crucial. That's where this emergency lighting kit comes in. Equipped with 4 powerful lights that can illuminate up to a mile away, in 360-degree direction, ensuring you're easily seen. Just place the lights around your vehicle, activate them, and select from various emergency flashing modes. The magnetic mechanism and hook make attaching the lights to your car very simple. The kit comes with a compact bag and screws for extra advantage. Next, enjoy a thrilling ride with your furry friend using this fantastic dog car seat. It offers a comfortable elevated view to reduce anxiety and keep your car free from pet hair. Easy to assemble and install, it fits dogs up to 8 pounds or cats up to 11 pounds. Also, it can transform into a convenient pet sling carrier or purse. Its waterproof and easy-to-clean design ensures a tidy space for your pet. While sturdy construction, thick foam padding, and adjustable bungee cords provide a secure and stable ride for your beloved companion. For the unpredictable situations, the Baseus Emergency Hammer is a must-have. First, it includes a window breaker and belt cutter for quick exits. Plus, a built-in flashlight with 4 modes, including SOS, for signaling help. Keep this essential tool within arm's reach to ensure you're always prepared for emergencies. Hey backseat passengers, are you in need of a helping hand? Meet the McCauley Headrest Mount Holder, your new travel buddy. Easy to install, just attach it to the headrest. No matter the size of your phone or tablet, this adjustable mount fits most smart devices. Its ball head design lets you find the perfect viewing angle with a full 360-degree rotation. This holder keeps your devices steady and secure, even on bumpy roads. Plus, its adjustable extension lets one device entertain 2 people. A must-have for a smoother and more enjoyable ride. Upgrade your car with high-quality pedal pads designed for various models. Each set includes 2, 3, or 4 pads with a rubberized base and mounting screws. Its polished matte surface features rubber-filled holes and chamfered edges. Ergonomically shaped for comfort, they prevent slippage and ensure your foot rests securely. Made from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, these pedals maintain their new look and aesthetic appeal over a long time. Stuck in a tough spot with no one to help? Fear not, the Bush Winch Series 2 is here to save the day. Conveniently fitting in your trunk to help in self-recovery. Simply choose from 3 options tailored to your vehicle and install the components. This powerful kit includes wheel-mounted winches for both front and rear wheels, rope guides, and a sturdy nylon rope for winching at any angle. Then utilize your car's engine power to easily pull yourself out of those sticky situations. Plus, the kit comes with extra accessories for stubborn situations, or when you need to use a nearby tree as an anchor. Discover a unique way to relax on the road with the hammock hitch stand. This innovative accessory transforms your vehicle into a cozy spot by attaching the metal to your hitch, allowing you to hang a hammock or 2 chairs, providing a comfortable retreat wherever you go. Its patented design enables quick assemble and disassemble in just minutes, using only a wrench, making it ideal for travelers who want to avoid uncomfortable nights on the cold, bug-filled ground. This is the list of some of the best car accessories available on Amazon. If you got value from this video, by all means, hit the like button, so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you want to see more of these tech gadgets in action, subscribe to this channel for videos like this every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the most fascinating gadgets that'll make your life so much easier. I am Philip, and thanks for checking out this episode. Catch you in the next one.